Hi, welcome to the Rugged Rundown, and today I want to talk to you guys about the best rugged books for preppers in 2024. And I gave a lot of thought to this. Preppers actually need a nice, rugged, durable, resilient laptop when they're on the road, if it, for whatever reason, out in the woods and that sort of thing. It should be water resistant, it should be heat and cold resistant, and quite honestly, the Getacs and the Panasonic Toughbooks fit the bill. Not only do you have a nice rugged laptop built to military standards, it'll withstand vibrations, heat, extreme cold, you can drop it, you can swing it, beat it. In fact, some of these you can use as a weapon if you wanted to by either hitting people with it or throwing it. In any case, some other things you need to think about are weight. And these rugged laptops, they get kind of heavy the more rugged they become. So the first one out of the box, in my opinion, is the best choice, is the Panasonic Toughbook FZ55. This laptop hits all the check boxes. First of all, it's lightweight and it's easily to carry around. You can put it in your backpack. It's not going to weigh you down. It gives you the opportunity to have dual batteries. So now for charging and power things, you have two batteries, one here and one here, to give you that extra battery life. Now you're going to want to carry extra batteries with you, of course, or perhaps you have a solar charger or even a hand crank charger. And if you're really good, you probably have the combo unit that is solar and hand crank. It's a whole unit in itself. I don't know. Whatever your charging is, you definitely need to have these batteries able to hold a charge for a long period of time. Another thing is daylight readability, and of course the ports that are available. You want to make sure that everything in here is what you need. USB, USB-C, we have HDMI out, that sort of thing. Now the FZ55 is also modular. You're going to want something that's easily upgraded that you can do yourself. And because of XPAC ports, this unit can be upgraded simply by purchasing the particular upgrade you're looking for, and it just plugs in like any normal card. And that would be on the back. There's an export pack back here. There's one on the bottom, and then of course there's one on the front up here. So you're able to upgrade this unit very easily. It's very modular. Now brand new, these suckers can run around $3,000. If you get them used, you get them around $1,000. But this, in my opinion, is a pretty good choice for the prepper. If you're on a budget, the Getac, I don't know if you've heard of Getac, but this is the Getac. This is the S410. This is similar to the FZ55. This unit, again, has backlit keyboard, large screen touch. It hits all the boxes. It doesn't have dual batteries like the FZ55, but its battery is easily swapped out with other batteries. Again, you're going to want to have your external charging source, whether it be hand crank or solar. This is a nice choice. Hits most of the boxes, and you can pick this up for under $500. Another nice choice, and this is a fully rugged. These are considered semi-rugged. This CF33 is considered fully rugged. It also has dual batteries, and if for some reason the weight is a problem, you just pop this off and it becomes a tablet. Both batteries are in the back here. They're hot swappable, and it's daylight readable screen. It's got an IP rating of 6.5, so you get that water resistance and dirt resistance. And if you keep the keyboard, it's nice, it's backlit. This is the premium one. It also has ports on it as well. Overall, not a bad choice, under $1,000. I'm going to bring this one up because I really like this small laptop. This is a convertible in that all you do is spin the screen around and boom, you have a tablet. That's a nice feature. It's lightweight and it's fully rugged. So you can drop it, do whatever you need to do. It's got a backlit keyboard, daylight readable screen. It can come with GPS module built in. It also can have broadband. But hey, if you're out and the internet goes down, at least you have GPS to know where you're at, and nice carry handle. It's a nice choice, and this one here is under $400. So there are a lot of options in the laptop world for preppers. Well, that's all I got for you today. Hope this was informative, and I'll see you guys next week.